Alright, so we're going to do the air filter now, and the nice thing is when you get done doing your engine oil filter or engine oil change, this is because these are your last steps here. It tells you how to service the air intake screens, goes through that, and then it's right onto the air filter, page 32 of your manual. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Is I got my pre-cleaner and I got the actual filter here just opened up. Nice fresh new filter. Set that down. We'll open up the pre-cleaner. Fresh pre-cleaner. Go through it, make sure there's nothing on this thing, oil and stuff, whatever. It's all pretty clean. It should be. It's brand new, like I said. What we're gonna do is, sorry the video was kind of shaking around and all that. We're just gonna put this around the outside here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alrighty. So when you get done, it should look something like that. Nice and clean. On there all nice and just perfect. Come over to your tractor. This from the right side here. For most of you, this is what it's going to look like. You won't have these hoses on here. These are my coolant hoses. But you have your intake here, and then you have just a little spin-on nut. Take that off. Put that somewhere where you don't lose it. See if I can get this off. Those hoses on there. This little metal ring there. A washer. Kind of a trip with these on here. I just put these up here yesterday just to get them out of the way because I don't have another way of putting those. These coolant hoses are what's causing my issue right now. I have to keep the system closed looped, and I don't have the quick connects ordered yet for them so that I can tuck them away a lot nicer. So I just left them the length they are and put a copper PEX elbow on there just to keep those system closed. Because if you don't, obviously this thing's just going to dump all its coolant all over the ground when you fire it up. So hang on, let me get this cover off.